everybody, I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. Now, I'm bringing you my very favorite Campbell's soup today. I'm sure everybody has their own very favorites, and I'm sure you ate this when you were young, and if you're young, you're eating it now. But this really is my very favorite. It's their cream of mushroom, their plain cream of mushroom. I like the reduced sodium one too, what can I say? But this one is my favorite, and I've been eating this since I was little. When I was young, my mom said that she had to almost feed me through IV because I didn't want to eat anything. I was just busy running around and playing and things. So she'd have to sit me down, and I would only eat what I really liked. I was a tiny bit picky when I was young. But the problem was my mornings. I didn't want to eat breakfast. So my mom would ask me what I wanted for breakfast, and she'd let me eat pretty much whatever because she just wanted to get food in me. And I would most often say, I want cream of mushroom soup. I love it. Me and her still eat it. I mean, I buy this all the time. I know we make our own cream of mushroom soup, and it's very tasty, and we make an upscale version, etc. But if you're looking for something in the dead of winter, or if you don't feel like cooking, or you just want something that's comforting from your childhood, that's the ticket right there. I love this stuff. Now, you can make it with water, you can make it with milk, you could even mix it with some cream or whatever have you. I like to put pepper, I put cayenne pepper, I like to put dill in there. Sometimes I put dill seeds in there. I eat it in a number of ways, but it's still my very favorite Campbell's soup. I hope you guys let me know what your favorite Campbell's soup is. Leave a comment wherever you're watching this, and it'd be interesting to see. I'm sure everyone has different ones. But the cream of mushroom soup, this is it, cream of mushy. And I even like the ones in the packet, the instant ones. I can't even lie. It's just reminds me of my childhood. What can I say? It's comforting to me. So that's it. Check them out at campbellsoup.com. Let me know what your favorite Campbell's soup is too, okay? Follow me on Twitter at cookingwithkim, with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it. That's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.